Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a frustrating error. Google Drive's "Sorry, the file you have requested does not exist." Seeing this message is confusing, but the file is usually still there. Google shows this error to protect the owner's privacy when you are signed into the wrong account or if the URL is broken. Here is how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Open an Incognito window. Your browser often defaults to your primary Google account, which might not have permission to view the file. Open a new private or incognito window, paste the shared link, and sign in exclusively with the exact email address that was granted access. Step 2. Verify the link. If you copied the link from a chat or email, it might be incomplete. Google Drive links have a specific pattern ending with a unique ID. Make sure no letters, numbers, or symbols are cut off at the end. Go back to the original source and copy the entire link again. Step 3. Check your trash. If you are the owner of the file, it may have been accidentally deleted or moved. Head over to your Google Drive trash folder. Search for the file, right-click it, and select Restore to reactivate the link. Step 4. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes your browser gets stuck on an expired session. Go to your browser settings. Search for Clear Browsing Data, and clear your cookies and cached files. Refresh the page, and your file should appear. Follow these 4 simple steps, and you should be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tech solutions. Thanks for watching.